This is Caesar 1.2, sentences 4 to 6. His rebus. I had to be a little vague here. I just said in the notes here, under these circumstances, kind of bailed out on that. Didn't know what to do with it. It happened that, and then two things. So we got this and this. Okay, so this is a correlative. These are great little things. Both and. Both and. So what are these two things? It happened that they both wandered less widely and they less easily were able to inflict war on their neighbors. Okay, this is pretty cool. This minus latte and minus facile. Nice balance there going with the correlatives. Adverb on adverb, adverb on adverb. Very nice. And you got a imperfect subjunctive there. Oh, yeah. Because it's in this ut clause. So, I think that's a result. Result clause. Nice. Like to see one of those every now and then. Yep. Qua ex parte. And for this reason, homines, people, cupidi, desirous, belandi, of fighting, ooh, gerund there, a verbal noun, a gerund, ad ficiebanter, were affected magno dolore, with great sorrow. Ah, poor things. They can't get out and kill one another. In proportion to the number, however, of men, and in proportion to their glory in war and their bravery. So again, this parallelism here, proportion to this, in proportion to that. Then skip to your main V here, big verb. They thought that they had narrow boundaries. Yeah, they feel quite constricted in their boundaries. This is an indirect statement. So you've got your main verb of thinking, saying, hearing, sensing, and then subject, accusative, here, and verb, infinitive, here. Habere. They thought that they had narrow boundaries. Okay, this is where it gets ugly. These boundaries which, and okay, so we always like to identify an antecedent here. These boundaries which, in length, patebant, extended, let's see, 100, 200, minus 10 plus 50 to 40. Okay, 240. Milia passuum. And they literally say it 240 thousands of paces. We say just miles. And in breadth, let's see, okay, 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 180. They extended. Well, they just thought that wasn't big enough.